Is Albert a real bank account? That's a question many of you have probably asked, especially as more and more financial apps pop up promising to simplify your money management. It's a valid concern. In a world saturated with digital solutions, it can be tough to distinguish between a revolutionary tool and something that's, well, not quite what it seems. So, let's cut to the chase and explore what Albert really offers. Is it a full-fledged bank in your pocket, or something a little different? For many years, traditional banks were the only game in town. You had your checking account, your savings account, maybe a credit card, and that was it. Then came the era of financial technology, or fintech, and companies like Albert started to emerge. Albert pitches itself as a smart financial assistant, aiming to help you budget, save, and even invest. They offer a range of features, including cash advances, budgeting tools, and even access to financial experts. This all sounds great, but it brings us back to the core question. Is it a real bank account? The answer, in short, is nuanced. Albert itself is not a bank. It's a financial technology company that partners with established, FDIC-insured banks to provide its banking services. This is a crucial distinction. When you open an Albert Cash account, your funds are held at one of their partner banks, such as Sutton Bank. This means that your deposits are FDIC-insured up to the standard $250,000 limit, just like they would be at a traditional bank. So, while Albert isn't a bank in the traditional sense, the money you deposit into an Albert Cash account is protected and held by a real, regulated bank. Think of Albert as the interface, the smart brain, and the helpful assistant, while the underlying financial infrastructure is provided by their banking partners. This model is becoming increasingly common in the fintech space. Companies can focus on developing user-friendly apps and innovative features while relying on the established security and regulatory compliance of traditional banks. What does this mean for you? It means you get many of the functionalities you'd expect from a bank account. You can receive direct deposits, send money, and use a debit card associated with your Albert Cash account. You can also access features like early payday, which allows you to get your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than traditional banks, and cash advances, which can be a lifeline in a pinch. Plus, Albert's budgeting tools and insights can genuinely help you get a better handle on your finances. However, it's important to understand the limitations. While you get many banking functionalities, Albert doesn't offer the full suite of services a traditional bank might, such as physical branches for in-person transactions or complex loan products. Their focus is primarily on digital money management and personal finance assistance. So, to reiterate, while Albert is not a bank itself, the Albert Cash account functions very much like a real bank account because your money is held and protected by an FDIC-insured partner bank. This hybrid model allows Albert to offer innovative features and a user-friendly experience while ensuring the safety and security of your funds. It's a real account, backed by real banks, designed for the digital age. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.